criminal appeal, NIC case, Your Honor.
This is in which stage? In order stage or in hearing stage?
It is on hearing stage, Lordship.
But
We both parties have already submitted written argument. Already submitted, almost 6 months.
For hearing like that, if you want, it will only come for orders, and thereafter you may fix a date for hearing.
Yes, Lordship, immediately after vacation.
Give the mention memo, otherwise it will not come.
Yes, mention memo is
17 July.
17 July.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a criminal petition, Lordship. It is a JIMMA petition, Lordship, and it is for motion column, Lordship, on 27/6, Lordship, if possible.
Why day after tomorrow? What's the urgency?
There, the Lordship, the auction supari is there, Lordship, it is auction, but the petitioner is demanding money, Lordship, the amount, auction amount, but has not the ownership, Lordship. That is why, Lordship.
Why
don't
criminal
have the
petition?
ownership of-
Any order was passed by anyone?
No, Lordship.
Why you want to have a criminal petition in that case?
I
What
have
is the-
instruction to by PP, Lordship, to file this, Lordship.
He is demanding money from whom?
From the authority, Lordship, the auction money.
Whether any order has been passed in that regard.
I'm not aware of that, Lord. I apologize.
There has to be something. To make a mention tomorrow, we'll consider, but thing is this. Just simply he not being a owner, he cannot purchase it, right?
Lordship,
He cannot ask for it.
No.
He is also not in the auction purchaser.
Lordship.
Yes, ma'am.
Let pleasure. I like to mention one listing of a similar matter, Your Lordship. Let it come tomorrow or day after tomorrow, Your
What is the
Lordship.
urgency? Why?
I just want to let my JIMMA petition, my lord, my vehicle is in the police station, Your Lordship. It is
Since
more
when?
than,
Since when?
since the 2 months already above.
Now, why you have selected the last 2 dates of this before we?
Actually, I filed a petition last week, Your Lordship, but some technical difficulty it was withdrawn yesterday, Your Lordship. That is why I'm filing again.
What is your filing number? You have the filing
Filing number, yes, Your Lord, 6077 of 25, Your Lordship.
tomorrow.
May I
Apply,
please,
Your
Your Lordship? I beg to mention one IA criminal 236 of 2025 in criminal appeal 85 of 2025. Your Lordship, the convict is on previous bail, and then the date fixed for reporting the FOXO court is 3rd July 2025. He is apprehended arrest, Your Lordship,
How can we possibly?
because he is
He is only on previous bail.
Yes, Your Lordship,
So-
but the court, the Lanet FOXO court is asking the confirmation of the bail from this Honorable High Court.
No, it is on the previous bail. Already there is an order.
Yes, already there is an order, but
So-
on last date, the Lanet
That
just
cannot
about
be.
to arrest.
That cannot be. He is on previous bail. He might have jumped bail or some order has been passed.
Yes, Your Lordship.
If he is on previous bail, nobody is going to touch him.
Yes, Your Lordship, but on last occasion, the Lanet judge was about to arrest the convict, Your Lordship.
There has to be some reason. Otherwise, if the court is allowed him to remain on previous bail, why the POXO court will pass or arrest pass an order for an arrest?
Similar convicts were arrested on that date, Your Lordship. So if the matter,
There has to be some reason.
mm,
IA for what?
I for continuance of the previous bail, Your Lordship.
Was there any fixed date by which the accused was asked to appear before the court?
3rd July.
Prior to that,
Prior to that was
what was the order passed by this court?
order passed by this court was that respondent number 2 was called, but nobody was appeared. That's why the court fixed the case for the
What was the
next day.
direction passed by this court?
There was no any directions.
Who has asked him to remain on previous bail? Whose order it was?
It was the order of landed POXO court.
If this order is a POXO court, what kind of IA we can do it?
IF for continuance of the bail.
That has to be passed before the by POXO court if the order has been passed by this court.
No, no,
There
Your
has to be
Lordship.
some order passed by this court, then only we can pass the prefer an IA.
But we filed the IA, Your Lordship, for the bail. And the bail is not yet confirmed. That's why he is apprehending arrest. Your Lordship, if the case be listed for tomorrow before holiday, then
What is the main case number?
case number is criminal appeal 85 of 2025. He was convicted for 3 years. Your Lordship.
Notice served on the
Yes,
notice served.
yes, notice served. Your Lordship, name of advocate for respondent number 2 was
Tomorrow.
tomorrow, highly placed.
I have filed one my criminal appeal on yesterday, my lord. This, my lord, serial number is there, my lord. So kindly, my lord, on 27, my lord.
After vacation, what is the emergency?
My lord, 14 them, my lord.
It will come immediately after vacation.
My lord. And another fair, my lord, criminal transfer, my lord. And date in trial put, my lord, fixed on 15, my lord. 15 July, my lord. So,
When the order was passed by the trial,
my lord, it is transfer petition, my lord.
after vacation.
Published.
May I please, Your Lordship, listing of a revision petition matter under 498A matter for tomorrow, my
After vacation.
lord.
Urgency is different. Don't try that tomorrow and the after the holiday, then you.
Urgency
try
is there,
all-
my lord.
Do it after
We have
vacation.
come against the lower court order, my lord, that's why.
Order passed by the court when.
And that was. I'm
That's
not
the
saying
reason.
that the death-
There is no urgency on your part. Now you selected a few because tomorrow and day after the dust before the vacation. Immediately after vacation.
after
May
this.
please, your Lordship, Lordship, I beg to mention a criminal revision petition for listing, Lordship. Lordship, it may be taken up today, Lordship. We have filed it on 23rd, Lordship.
After vacation.
Lordship, Friday, there is urgency, Lordship.
What is the urgency? When is the order passed by the court? District court?
Lordship, there is an attachment order, Lordship,
When
uh,
that order was passed by when?
on February, Lordship.
After vacation. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship, one criminal petition last listed on 5/3/2025, Lordship.
Third of,
Third of 5/3/2025.
third of which month?
March.
3rd of March,
Yes.
after vacation.
Your Lordship, pray for listing on every Lordship. The filing, it was filed on 18/6, Lordship.
You have the filing number
Yes, Lordship, 5738.
tomorrow. Yes.
May it please,
I'm right, Lordship.
may it please, Your Lordship. First, I beg to mention two criminal petitions, Your Lordship, for withdrawal, Your Lordship.
Criminal petitions
Yes, Your Lordship.
for withdrawal.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Withdrawal of what?
Lordship, withdrawal of petition, Your Lordship.
Tomorrow.
Highly available.
This is a criminal petition, my lord, last listed on 8/5/2025, and city was called for. City is received but not listed, my lord, drafted for us.
Why? What is the urgency?
I didn't say, my lord, that there's a case is pending against me, my lord,
Hmm.
and there is no prima facie case against me. But
After vacation, immediately on reopening. Yes.
One criminal petition motion matter may come tomorrow, my lord.
What is the urgency?
Urgency is that, my lord, one gate was there, dispute is for, my lord, one installation of one gate, my lord, boundary wall.
Hmm.
Thereafter, what is happened, my lord, already, my lord, lower court below pass order, my lord. And in simultaneously, my lord, as a petitioner respondent filed one, my lord, petition here, my lord. But there was a review also filed, my lord, due to some misunderstanding and wrongly consent given. And there is a process to remove the said gate, my lord. That's why, my lord, urgency, my lord.
You
Otherwise,
appear before the repetition.
no, in the petition, my lord, review, this matter has been disposed of. But it was wrongly disposed of, review petition filed. In the review, notice has been issued. My lord, Justice, you can, my lord. Subsequently,
Why?
my lord, what has happened in view of the said disposal of the writ petition, my lord, the learned court below in criminal, my lord, appeal revision matter, dismiss my case, my lord. That is the reason, my lord.
But the matter is review is pending.
A review is pending, notice issued, but in
So
spite of
how
that, my
can it
lord, they're
happen?
processing to, my lord, proceeding to remove
You
the
can mention
gate.
for review because.
Review already listed, my lord. A notice has been issued. So, my lord, at this
In the
stage, my lord,
same case, can there be two proceeding in the same court? One in the criminal side, under in the.
yes, my lord, they has wrongly approached there.
Definitely. that
The
is the
opposite
reason
part.
we are saying you cannot allow.
They
it to
saying
happen.
all those things, my lord, I have filed this case because, my lord, learned court below, my lord, additional.
Make a
Yes,
mention
yes.
before the review court and say the situation. That's all. You
I have
cannot allow-
already apprised there, my lord, learned, honorable court also, my lord, please to, my lord, interfere the matter, that's why please to issue notices. But subsequently, what has happened, followed by the wrong order, already additional.
Please make it mention before the review court, because we cannot allow to have the, for the same issue, you cannot have two different
No,
procedures.
criminal revision petition dismissed,
We
filed by
understood.
me. But
Understood.
after the dismissal of my revision petition, they may remove my gate, my lord. That is only this.
Even then. you
Day
can
after
take
tomorrow
it-
also
We
maybe.
get it clearance from the review court, otherwise not possible.
No, review already, my lord, notice issued. Review already notice.
If tomorrow in the review order, the order passed in the report is recalled,
Yes, my lord.
then what will happen? The divisional court will recall its order.
That's why, my lord, I have filed this case, my
That
lord.
is the reason. You
That's,
can bring it to the subsequent even before the review court and get it the order stayed or till you. before
notice
disposal.
issued already. I had already apprised there.
File appropriate application before the review court. It is done. It is possible. Yes,
Made it, Lordship, documents for listing one criminal piece of motion, Madam Lordship.
Criminal petition
Yes,
against what?
matter relates to quashing of FIR, Lordship.
After vacation.
Maybe Your Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a bail application, Lordship, just filed on 18/6/2025.
You have the filing
Tomorrow.
number
Yes, Lord,
tomorrow.
tomorrow. Obliged.
Yes.
Meet please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3 on behalf of the R. Rahman, Lordship. I have taken the consent from the other side, Lordship.
No, after vacation.
Back to mention on
Obliged.
anticipatory bail application filed yesterday, Your Lordship.
You have the filing number.
Yes, 60718.
Tomorrow.
My lord, my submission is, my lord, as per notice and the arrest memo, my lord, there is no ground mentioned, my lord, kindly see case. Case 95,
After vacation.
my lord. My lord,
After vacation.
after vacation, my lord, after vacation, obliged.
Your Lordship, in this case, Lordship, the state has prepared an appeal, Lordship, against acquittal. And as per order dated, Lordship, 31/5/2024, Lordship, this notice was to be issued. I have not gone through the record, Lordship, whether taken or not.
You have not taken steps.
Lordship was,
You have just simply filed the leave petition without taking steps. State is not interested. It's a matter of 2021.
22, Lordship,
Number is going in 2022,
Lordship.
but it
Yes,
filed it in 21.
It's been looked after by Lordship.
See, it is not the team. You have an office,
Lordship,
then even in last occasion, 5 days was given to you to take steps.
Lordship.
Whether you have taken or not, we did not. लिखा। The connected appeal has been filed by the state. Preferring an appeal against the judgment and order of acquittal dated 09/09/2021 passed by the Court of Learned Special Judge Assam, Guwahati, in special case number 23 of the acquittal of the sole respondent. In special case number 23 of the 2017. Equating of the sole respondent as a petition. Equating the sole respondent under section 7 and 13 in bracket 2 of the Prevention of Corruption. This application has been filed by the state seeking leave of the court to prefer the connected appeal. Though notice in this case was issued on 19/09/2022. But the state applicant slash state petitioner slash appellant is yet to take steps on the sole respondent. Though on numbers of occasions time can fit the state. Whereas the Order of the Lozima Court at the 12/9/2024. Failure on the part of the state to take steps on the full response. On or before 27/06/2025. This lead petition along with the connected appeal cell stands dismissed without any further order of.
In this matter, I have taken steps to the lordship.
You have not taken steps.
Lordship, this is
That's the service you're supposed to take.
lordship,
You have taken.
today only, lordship.
File your memo before the.
Lordship.
Mr.
Lordship, K Jain.
TJ.
K Jain.
K for
K for Kaushik.
counsel appearing for the petitioner. To take. Counsel restraint. On 20/05/2022. Sir. To that extent. Mr. Landlord Council. I have placed copy of the acknowledgement. Document number 2 of, document number 2 of the 2025. Dated 25/06/2025. Present. Criminal litigation. Place this matter for admission on 15th of July. This thing. Self-verified. No, we can.
Much obliged, lordship.
May it please your lordship, my lord, as in this case shown that the LCR has already been received. So matter may be directly to be listed, my lord, for hearing in as usual course, my lord, or alternatively.
But Mr. Rana, counsel appearing for the appellant. And Mr. Rana, teaching for the prosecutor. For the. Opposite party number 1. The name of the counsel for the opposite party number 2 is reflected in the first list. However, the said respondent remain unrepresented. Pursuant to the order of the court with 0/12/2022. The agency has also received the relevant records of Sessions case number 348 of the 2018. from the Court of Learned Petitioner, President FPC, number 452. By order dated 0-12-2022, this appeal was already admitted for hearing. Place this matter for hearing and its appeal.
Master Group.
Three and a half years punishment under section 27 of Cosmetic and Drugs Act.
You will appear for the state?
Lordship.
Or Mr. M. O. Mahmood, Granite Council appearing for the applicant. And Mr. Chachacha. Granite additional purpose prosecuted. For the sole response. State. Pursuant to the order of the court dated 14/11/2022. Registry has already received the records of Sessions case number 85/2019. From the Court of Learned Petitioner. Bilasipur. Place this matter for admission on 17th July. Just a minute. Petition to simple.